Thank you for being here with us today for the launch of our latest BMW Motorrad product. First, I would like to say thank you to my partner, Siva, head of the BMW Motorrad Southeast Asia, for your continued support and partnership with us. Thank you. This year, we are excited to announce that we will attend the BMW Motorrad Days in Thailand, and we invite two lucky grand prize winners from first GS race. And we've also expanded our presence with a new pop-up store in Kuta Beach Walk, Bali. And we are thrilled to be opening a new dealership in Bandung, in Sukadadi, on early December, bringing out our services closest to you. Thank you. Bye-bye. In addition to this milestone, we'll be hosting the GS race in Bandung on December 7th, and we will continue the race series in Jogja and Bali, which the final event will be held during the BMW Motorrad Days Indonesia 2025. This spectacular event will bring together enthusiasts from around the world. We're proud to host international participants and showcase the spirit of BMW Motorrad in Indonesia. I need your support on this event, and of course the BMW Motorrad AG team. And also we will have both BMW Motorrad Days in Darmstadt, Germany on July 2025, and we also invite everyone of you to join us. And now, as we launch our latest product, I would like to say thank you again to each one of you for joining us. Please enjoy the rest of the night. BMW Motorrad Indonesia, let's go! Alright, thank you so much, Ibu Francisca, untuk sambutannya. And next, we are honored to invite head of BMW Motorrad for Southeast Asia to share a few words with us. Please give a very warm welcome to Mr. Shiva Pada Ray.
I don't know which one looks better, me or the bike. All of you say me, get a really big discount on the bike. Okay, thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, it's an honor and privilege to be back in Jakarta. But nobody told me I have to make a written speech, so sorry, I'm going to speak from my heart. Ingrid had a written speech, the lady for tonight had the written speech, I don't have one. But I have 4 submissions to make. The first thing is, I don't know why, but I'm always so happy to come back to Jakarta and meet all of you. Trust me. Maybe visit our office from Bangkok to Jakarta. It's a much happier place. Much happier place. The crowd loves the bike over here. Would love to sit to Jakarta from Bangkok, but don't tell it to my guys in Bangkok. And the first submission is, I remember I was in a dinner with a few riders way back in last October or November. And nobody till then in Southeast Asia, I had Southeast Asia, 12 countries, nobody had asked me about 1300 GSM. And then there were 15 guys on the table. For 1 hour they were grilling me about the 1300 GSM. Way back in last October, November. That is the kind of interest Indonesia had in 1300 GSM. No other country, right from India till New Zealand, nobody was asking me for 1300 GSM. But people from riders from Jakarta, riders from Indonesia were grilling me for 1.5 hours about this bike. So that shows the amount of interest everybody has in this bike. The second thing, I saw this bike 2 years back. The first, I have been in two-wheeler industry for 25 years. 25 years. When I saw this bike, trust, hand on my heart, I have said, I've never seen this kind of two-wheeler in my life. I've never seen this kind of two-wheeler in my life. Forget everything about the bike. If this bike stands, people will turn around and click pictures. I've never seen a two-wheeler which has this kind of physical presence. If the 1300 GS is all about being, dynamic, it's futuristic, athletic. This bike is a monster. It's a monster. It's the most rugged, robust bike I have seen in 48 years of my life. When you see this bike, I would challenge anybody to destroy it. It's indestructible. You cannot destroy it. You feel like you are riding a military tank. You feel like you can kill anybody with this bike. That's how manly it is, how robust it is. Trust me, this bike can be anything, but there could be no other automobile which is as robust as this. So you are going to see something which is very different. This is just not a motorcycle launch. This is most probably the launch of a motorcycle you have never seen this kind in your life. When you see it in your road. This bike is just not about muscles. This bike is about technology. Front collision warning, rear collision warning, lane change warning, you name it. This bike has everything. This is the ultimate adventure bike you can ever lay in your hands. So guys, you won't believe it. We launched it in Singapore a week back. We have more than 50 bookings. These guys have more than 30 odd bookings. So this bike is just lined up itself. Pray to God this becomes a big success for us. And the last submission before our sign up, when I joined as head of Southeast Asia last year, Indonesia was one of the lowest selling countries. This year, Indonesia is one of the highest selling countries. So the growth, and I want to thank on behalf of my team, on behalf of entire BMW Motorrad, the people who are behind it, who made this happen, which is Laila Stuti. So can I call on stage Ingrid, Martin and Joseph? Thank you so much. You guys have done a tremendous job. We at BMW Motorrad are extremely thankful. Can we have a big round of applause for this? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So now, do you see the bike? Nobody is interested. Okay, let's do it tomorrow. Come on, yes! Yes. Let's go.
Alright, thank you so much for the beautiful speech. Dan sebelum saya melanjutkan ke acara selanjutnya, ya kita memasuki acara inti pada hari ini, saya pengen ngobrol-ngobrol dulu nih dengan selamat malam Bapak Gading. Ini saya lagi direkam ya, aduh terharu loh bisa masuk instastory-nya loh. Selamat malam Pak Gading. Malam, boleh dibantu mic-nya satu lagi? Mic-nya ada lagi? Oke, kita mau chit-chat ya. Sebutkan, tau nggak dimensi motornya berapa? Coba tolong dijelaskan lebih dijabarkan gitu kan. Susah ya, kayak cerdas cermat.
Kalau matematikanya saya nggak tahu, yang saya tahu enak banget.
Oh enak banget. Berarti udah sempet mencoba atau udah lihat?
Saya nyoba yang tuanya 1.200.
Oh yang tuanya yang
Tuanya udah nambah cepet lagi ya. Orang udah leges udah ngomong yang lain, bener nggak? Bener.
Nah, ini lo kan kalau yang tuanya enak gimana yang terbaru kan?
Nah, yang paling baru emang lebih enak.
Ya. Ini jadi udah bingung ya.
Kalau punya satu, punya dua, jauh lebih enak.
Aduh. Nah, kalau boleh tahu nih, kalau menggunakan motor terbaru ini enaknya buat traveling kemana nih?
Kemana aja?
Kemana aja? Ke ujung dunia? Sama yang baru?
Iya dong.
Oh iya dong.
Tapi beneran.
Backupnya banyak banget ke ujung dunia dong.
Tapi beneran. Ya beruntungnya saya punya beberapa teman yang suka motoran. Udah nyobain beberapa jenis motor, udah paling enak GS.
GS.
BMW udah paling enak, udah nggak ada lawannya.
Oh, boleh tepuk tangannya untuk dia untuk motorkan.
Jadi ibaratnya kalau diving langsung aja apa, langsung aja terakhir gitu. Iya benar.
Oke, keren. Thank you. Pertanyaan terakhir. Satu hal yang paling lu suka dari motor ini apa?
Cicilannya.
Oh, cicilannya.
Gimana? Aman hari ini? Ada promo khusus? Ada promo khusus ya?
Bisa.
Iya, motor ini komplit semua, tadi udah dibilangin. Nah, ini motor ini bukan motor, ini GS.
GS beda ya?
Beda.
Coba dulu dijabarkan motor sama GS bedanya panjang ya?
Pokoknya beda. Ini semua teknologi ada semua. Ini motor paling pinter udah.
Paling pinter.
The best.
Oke, thank you so much. Baiklah, Bapak Ibu, kita memasuki momen yang paling kita nantikan pada malam hari ini. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment we all been waiting for. It's time the new BMW R 1300 GS Adventure. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the new BMW R 1300 GS Adventure, and we will be going for this new BMW Motorrad. Dan saja kita akan memasuki sesi foto bersama. For next, we would like to take photo opportunity. For that, I would like to invite our commissioner of BMW Motorrad Indonesia. Please join me on the stage, Mr. Bim Martin, the CEO of PT Lion Akriti Bumi Kencana BMW Motorrad Imported in Indonesia. This is Francisca Ingrid, and last but not least, head of BMW Motorrad for Southeast Asia, Mr. Shiva Padar Ray. Please join me on the stage. Baik, we're going to take three pose. Hadir from the center, tangan dulu ya. Center in 3, 2, 1.
dengan Martin, we greet our CEO, and also from regional office, Mr. Siva, Mr. Swen. Wow, such a blessing to have you here. Thank you very much, sir. So, without further ado, I will be quick. Bapak Ibu, saya akan jelaskan sedikit saja mengenai produk. Tentu, we wanna enjoy the night more. I think this bike no need any introduction. Saya rasa semua sudah mengenal. So, we'll get into the slide. Silakan. So, the new R1300 GS Adventure, Bapak Ibu. First highlight yang saya bisa sampaikan ke Bapak Ibu. It's actually the rhino in the room. It's not the elephant in the room ya Bapak Ibu ya. The rhino in the room, this one. Ini adalah pertama kalinya BMW Motorrad menunjukkan teknologi yang terbaru dari automated shift assistant Bapak Ibu, sehingga clutchless. Tentu ada dua model yang kita hadirkan di sini. Yang di bawah ini nanti akan ada yang di atas juga. Yang di sini masih dengan clutch, yang di atas tanpa clutch. Tentu mengcater untuk dua kebutuhan yang berbeda. Ya, jadi untuk more experienced riders, saya rasa masih butuh ya bapak-bapak yang kopling ya kayaknya ya. Nah ini ya kayaknya gimana nih kalau nggak ada kopling gitu ya. So we still have it here and it's on the main stage. It's up on our main stage. This is for the experience one. Ya bapak ibu. So itu next kita lihat ciri khas dari sebuah GS Adventure. Of course, it's a bigger fuel tank Bapak Ibu dengan capacity up to 30 liters, so it's not less. Seperti yang kita ketahui, R1300 yang sebelumnya mengalami pengurangan 1 liter atau 1,1 ya, dari 20 jadi 18,9 atau 20,9 liters. Tapi on this one, no, kita tidak mengurangi, it's staying same 30 liter as big as it is. Tentu with the more efficient engine akan memiliki range yang lebih jauh lagi Bapak Ibu. Next one, what's the highlight? Mungkin next, silakan next. Alright, the next one yang ada di sebelah sini Bapak Ibu, saya berpindah sedikit. On the headlight Bapak Ibu, the headlight tentu the new design with matrix teknologi Bapak Ibu, dan juga auxiliary light di samping tentu akan menambah kenyamanan, keamanan selama Bapak Ibu berkendara. So it's a very good additional thing. Next, on the rear side Bapak Ibu, sudah ada integrated storage. Bapak Ibu yang sudah menggunakan gas, ada yang sudah menggunakan gas, boleh katakan? Teman-teman yang sudah pakai gas? Wah, oke, ada beberapa ya sudah pakai gas. For sure, teman-teman tahu our aluminum box, and this one is finished with a new coating dengan warna black, very sporty, maco banget Bapak Ibu ya, with the black finish. Next, on the rear subframe Bapak Ibu, ini adalah salah satu poin yang paling membedakan R1300 GS Adventure dibandingkan dengan Golf Adventure, karena the rear subframe akan bisa menampung load yang jauh lebih berat dibandingkan dengan Golf Adventure. So for your pillion, for all your luggage needs, this bike is very capable. Next one. Yes, so on the back, maybe you can see on the screen, yang kita bisa lihat di depan adalah bagian ini Bapak Ibu. Ini adalah radar depan, yang di screen adalah radar belakang. What's the function Bapak Ibu? Tentunya as our car, maybe one of your vehicle, I think already have this kind of feature. So it's a safety feature, front collision warning, blind spot detection, everything that you need. Next one. I will have the summary. So 145 horsepower, 149 Nm of torque. So a much better one, Bapak Ibu. Dan juga ditambah dengan seat height yang adjustable dengan adaptive suspension. Next one. Dibandingkan dengan K51. Nah, ini pengguna K51 yang tadi udah pernah katakan nih Bapak Ibu. Di sini kita bisa lihat bahwa it's actually 1 kg heavier. 1 kg heavier, but we cannot feel it. With all the technologies added to it, I think it's worth doing. Dan juga seat height-nya nanti saya ada tanda bintang, apa nih bintang nih biasanya? TMC ya, term and condition-nya apa nih gitu ya. Kita akan lihat the next one, K1 versus K2, di mana di model yang kali ini kita punya adaptive vehicle high control, sehingga joknya bisa turun lagi 30 mm dari suspensi. Mungkin kalau saya jelaskan agak sulit ya Bapak Ibu ya. Kita lihat sebuah video, silakan di play. Jadi kalau kita ngerem, silakan dilihat lampu remnya nyala, suspension belakangnya otomatis akan retract, sehingga kakinya flat foot, nggak pakai balet Pak, nggak pakai balet, ya. Jadi agak susah nih kalau balet 250 kg ya. Dan saat jalan juga akan mengalami extension secara otomatis. So this is I think a very good additional thing. Tinggi saya 173. Saya juga masih jinjit Bapak Ibu ya. Jadi untuk kita mungkin postur Asia yang sangat perfect for this. So itu saja dari saya Bapak Ibu. Tentunya kalau nanya harga, ini pasti pada nanya ya, harganya berapa nih kok ada di slide ini ya. Saya bisa bocorin ini Bapak Ibu. It's around 1.5 billion. Around 1.5. Berapa nih range-nya? Silahkan tanya ke teman-teman konsultan kita yang sudah pakai baju biru. Jadi silahkan didiskus. Tentu mini range, mini variant. Di atas juga kita punya satu motor lagi yang menggunakan aksa yang tanpa clutch, ada di sebelah sana Bapak Ibu. Jadi silakan kalau mau dilihat Bapak Ibu. But what I can say is, including on the purchase is triple box, jadi termasuk dengan 3 box. What I can say is, it's just a number, first is just a number, at the end, it's a GS. Terima kasih teman-teman.
Terima kasih Bapak dan Ibu, silakan kembali ke tempat. Benar-benar informasi yang sangat menarik sekali yang baru saja disampaikan. Dan saya juga mengucapkan selamat malam kepada Bapak Komjen Polisi Nanan Soekarno. Selamat malam Bapak, terima kasih sudah hadir pada malam hari ini. Dan Bapak Ibu, tadi saya sempat dapat info nih, ini ada kabar baik banget, kabar yang begitu luar biasa, bahwa saya baru saja dikasih tahu kalau pemilihan pertama sudah sah, sudah dilakukan, sudah ada bayar pertama kita. Siapa
ya. Mau serah terima. Silakan, langsung saja diserahkan. Oke, kita bisa lihat ya di layar LED ini sudah ada GS Adventure Sulawesi Tour